Okay, here's our setup. We have a megaphone pattern actually in the development here, so I'm actually expecting lower prices to come down below this low. If you cannot see the megaphone, it's basically we're coming off of a double top right here, then we come down, make a new low, make a new high, and so in this range expansion we should actually start to head back down and make a new low, actually below this point, if that trend pattern is to continue. So there's all kinds of ways to identify if market can go higher and or lower. In this case, I'm looking for a trend to the downside, a sharp move to the downside. And so what I'm going to do then is verify my setup here. Red buy sell filter, red background, and I have the red price bars, the red pivot, and the red income trader trend arrow. So identify the trend, identify the entry signal, a short at 93.43. So I put my sell limit order, which you see we just got filled. My trade management now tells me to come over here, put my stop at 92.54. My minimum target is down here, but again I'm expecting the market to come where? All the way down to here. I'll leave it for this example right here. Well, maybe we'll see something develop here after this, but my minimum profit should be right there. So we verified the setup, we take the steps above, and now we execute the trade. We're nearly at our profit target. Now my stop's automatically adjusted. I can leave it where it is. That's typically where I trail it to after about 8 ticks or so, or I can put it back at the current bar range upper bracket at 92.51. In this case I'll just go ahead and leave it. We're about to get our fill here. And again, I'm expecting prices to come lower inside this pattern. So I could actually be looking for more on this trade. And we'll just go ahead and watch to see how things work out on the trade. We've got a little bit of a profit here. Again, the whole idea is to take the trade inside this current bar range area. In this case, here's the inner bracket, and here's the other opposite inner bracket. But I want to take the trade somewhere within its inner bracket and the trigger itself, not above the trigger. This is going to be the area that I'm looking for the market to hit and come back down on. That's why it kind of triggers some of the trade setups for us. So when we were filled, you notice that we were below the trigger price. Now we're just waiting for our exit here. Again, a very simple setup. Everything is red. We've identified the trend, identified the entry signal, everything's red, and we verified the setup. And now we execute. There's another pivot that just came in at 92.43. There's our target, and notice where we've gone. We just went down and made a new low. So in reality, I could have actually looked for more profit on this, but this is just an example to show you the setup.